Superstar's gonna maybe shake hands to start things here.
Always good to see. Always good to start off a match with some good sportsmanship.
Oh, it's even better to start a match with a little disrespect.
That's not right.
Byron, is this what you would consider mind games?
Well, it sure seems like
Jackson, this is how we greet you every day.
As this match gets underway, there's clearly no love lost in this one. Uh-oh, she could be setting up for a submission here.
Unmitigated. Prying apart her opponent's fingers. Needs to find a way out of this hold. And she does. Beautiful takedown into the...
Crawling, scratching, doing whatever it takes. She will not let this match end.
Oh, what a kick. A club with the right forearm. She heads out of the ring, but she needs to pay attention to the ref's count.
Shining Wizard!
That's right, Corey. That was a shining wizard.
Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems. Oh, there's an arm breaker right to the spine. Got a boot in the face. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly. Wicked kick to the face. Evades their offense.
Torturous focus on the leg. Ooh, clearly had a strategy going on there with the attention on the leg. Double underhook applied.
Butterfly suplex. Oh, my God. Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine. Measured elbow drop driven down.
The better part of valor. Achilles lock.
This is going to be depth. Crawling, scratching, doing whatever it takes. She will not let this match end.
Countered it just in time.
Beautiful takedown into the Achilles.
Crawling, scratching, doing whatever it takes. She will not let this match end.
Muay Thai clinch applied. Knees, lefts and rights.
And talk about an impressive combination, guys. And now she's looking to go top rope.
Uh-oh, hazardous part of town here on the apron.
Nasty.
The hardest part of the ring. After that attack on the apron, there is no way we're seeing them leave this arena without medical assistance.
There's a small package driver. She saw it coming.
Ah, drop kick.
Right on the money.
Whip back into the ring.
Oh, what a boot to the face. Just like she envisioned. Shoulders down.
Oh, not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
I'm pretty sure everyone in the building thought that was going to be the end of it, myself included.
Is there still enough left to try that maneuver again, or is her confidence shaken? The close of this match is just ahead.
Yeah, she is in a rough spot now.
And another.
Kick! Oh. She returns the favor there.
knock the features off their face.
Great counter. Connecting with a sharp elbow. She scores big with the counter. Headed to the top now. From the top, through the air, and connects.
That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder. Cinching in the arm wringer, but,
Well, that changed.
You can just see how much winning this match means to these women. They are absolutely going above and beyond to put each other away. But can they turn that? Oh my God, what a kick. That's gotta do it. That's gotta be it.
No, she kicks out. She kicks out.
What is it going to take to keep her down?
the answer might be more than her opponent can offer.
Sometimes when you unleash your best offense and it doesn't get the job done, you're taken out of your game. That's a real possibility now in this match.
The WWE Universe willing these superstars on.
Pumping the adrenaline they so desperately need right now.
Jumping knee strike.
I like that.
Knew what was coming there.
Backbreaker flawlessly executed. Got the arm. Disarmer. It's got to be over.
Man, she's got a lot of heart. Yes, able to survive and pull through.
Here is your winner, Samantha.
And unfortunately, the lack of respect remains with this result.
This is what I've been telling you and Saxton all along, Cole. It doesn't have to be pretty as long as you win. Sure, they were disrespectful earlier on. They won. In fact...